Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're at Plaza Lexus to look at a 2020 Lexus RX 350. Here we go. So today we're reviewing a 2020 Lexus RX 350 featured in Caviar exterior, and wait till you see the leather interior, it really pops. This vehicle is offered at Plaza Lexus in St. Louis. For additional information or to set up a test drive, contact Trey. His information is listed below. As we move around to the rear of the vehicle, we can see the Duel Exhaust. There's the RX 350 badging as well as LED rear taillights. And we move to the passenger side view. We can see the blacked out roof rails, the power mirrors with the turn indicator in the mirror as well as automatic mirrors, automatic folding. Here we see the 20-inch dark silver alloy wheels wrapped with 20-inch all-season tires. We see the front of the vehicle. We have daytime running lights, integrated high-beam LED headlamps. As we pop into the inside, we see the second row is the reclining, sliding 40-20-40 rear seats. We have a great look at the driver's compartment. The vehicle is equipped with blind spot information system, wireless phone connectivity, automatic climate control, power moonroof. Here we see the steering wheel, and we'll show that more in a little bit with the fingertip controls and the center stack. The vehicle is equipped with backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa capability, voice command plus Siri eyes free and Google Voice. Here we see the rear climate zone and another great look at the center stack and steering wheel. We also have, the vehicle is equipped with intuitive parking assist. There are the leather seats. What a great look. A power moonroof. Both driver and passenger seats are power, heated, and vented seats. Another great look at the center stack as well as the center console. The steering wheel is heated wood and leather wrapped steering wheel. We have remote engine start, remote power liftgate. We'll show more of that in a moment. Paddle shifters as seen here, as well as fingertip controls on the steering wheel. Here's a great look at the center stack as well as the optional navigation with 12.3-inch media touchscreen with 12-speaker premium sound. We have blind spot monitor with cross traffic alert. Here we're switching on the driver modes. You'll see on both the center console, the center stack, as well as the driver's cluster. You can see in the sport mode right here. And then there's the economy mode. Here we see the dual zone climate control. We have a proximity keyless entry, meaning you have your remote in your pocket or your purse and you just open the door. It's unlocked when you get close to the vehicle. A touchpad for the media screen. You can touch on the media screen or use the touchpad. As I mentioned already, we have Apple CarPlay and Amazon Alexa capability. voice command, plus Siri, eyes free, and Google Voice. There's the navigation and backup camera. We have a panoramic view on the backup camera as well. When you put the vehicle in reverse, the side mirrors tilt as you just saw. Additional power ports for the driver and passenger. Vehicle is equipped with power tilt telescoping steering column. Here we can see the heated and vented front seats as well as the electronic parking brake. Vehicle is also equipped with the cold weather package. The rear cargo area, we have the power lift gate as we mentioned. As far as storage capability, there's 18.4 cubic feet of storage with the seats in the upright position, all-weather floor mats. And here's a great look at the power lift gate in the closing position. The engine is a 3.5 liter V6 engine which creates 295 horsepower. It's mated with an 8-speed automatic transmission, has paddle shifters as we said. Get 19 city, 26 highway.